Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name's Andreas. Today we're not on the Bone Zone, we're actually on the Chase and Tail. You guys know my best bud Nico's actually moved down to Tampa for college, and my boat broke down recently when we were planning to go, so I made the drive down here because my buddy Nico was kind enough to invite me out on his boat.
Always.
So we are in the Tampa Bay area and we're looking for some snook, tarpon, redfish, trout, really anything we can catch. So we're gonna try and feed these fish some omen lures, you know, maybe some top waters, and worst comes to worst, we'll even do something different, try out some pilchards. So enough of me talking, go ahead and switch over to the GoPro. Ah, yes sir. Yes sir, it is a snook. He's gonna dog me.
I got you. He's dogging me, bro. Not to tighten the drag up on him a little. If he gets you in those mangoes, you're fine.
I've got light line. Getting his head up. Oh, no, I feel him. Yeah.
That was a big boy, bro. Is it on top one?
It was on my fluke.
Just even.
Try and get his head up. If I can just get his head up, he won't be able to have leeway on me. No, he came out.
How many you got on there?
Oh, there he is. 25. Fluoro though, it's not mono.
I got my net.
Oh yeah, get your net. He's coming.
Definitely gonna want to.
Oh, PB, bro.
Definitely?
Yep, look at him.
Oh, that's a stud.
You got your net?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, I'm gonna bring him to you.
Take your time on him. That's the one I saw, I think.
Oh man, he came out of nowhere. I didn't even see him cruise up on it. No.
Don't do that. All right, go ahead and
He's got the hook really well, actually.
There we go.
Yes,
Good
dude,
shit,
hell
bro.
yeah. That's a PB. That's a PB.
That is a PB. It's
Yes, sir. With an omen.
Dude,
In a pinfish color. Yeah, man. Let's go. Shit, boys. Thank you so much, Nico.
Yeah, man, good
dude,
shit,
thank
good
you for
shit.
taking me, bro.
That just made the trip.
Oh. Holy smokes, guys. He's like, if I had to guess, he's probably like 30 inches. 29 maybe.
Let's get the real deal measure on him. I'd say 30.
Yeah.
29, 28.
28 and a half. Okay, I overshot it a little bit.
Hang on. So is that bigger than your PB?
Yeah. Or it's tied actually, but
That's a legal snook.
yeah, that's cool. All right.
Sure. He's out of the water for a little bit of time.
It's healthy though.
Put his head down a little further. If you can.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Maybe grab his tail. That should be good.
Yeah, he's fine. He's swimming off great.
That's awesome.
Guys, oh my god, I'm absolutely stoked on that. That was like definitely one of the biggest snook I've ever caught, and like watched him jump out of the water and eat it and everything. Hopefully I got it all on camera. But yeah, that was on one of these finesse pilchards I poured the other week. It's on the pinfish color. It's kind of like the gold member color on the website, but with some green in it and a little bit more big gold flake. So if you guys are interested in picking up any of those baits that I make, I'd be more than happy to make some for you. Just visit omenlures.com, tell me what you want, and I'll get it whipped up for you. But let's get back to fishing. I like it. Oh, dude, right there. Look at that trout.
Dude, right there. Look at that trout.
Yes! Dude, I got the eat on camera. No way. No!
You want me to get the net?
I mean, yeah.
Right by the door.
I got him. Oh.
All right, well, maybe we should take you to go get a redfish now, because that's a pretty big trout.
If we're gonna release them, we're gonna have to drive a little because they're gonna get them.
I don't think they can eat them. They're tiny. They're just like,
Go, buddy, go.
he's fine.
Yeah, I think he's good. Yes, he's good. No, no, no. Dude, he's going for him.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, he's good. I think he's good. I've got more of my baits if you want.
Yeah, I'm down.
All of my eats so far have been like within 10 feet of the boat. Let's go. That's on that prototype I've been telling you about. The prototype strikes again, boys, but on an 1/8 ounce this time, because we're in a lot shallower water than I am in Steenhatchee, usually. There it is.
Got the anchor in this spot. Whoa, massive leg.
Oh man, I think the bird ate him. Poor guy. That sucks. Not sure if you want this.
I'll take that.
No, you don't understand. My bait looks normal size in his mouth. That is a trophy trout, boys.
I might steal a paddler from you, bud.
Sounds good. No, not again. No.
Okay, you got that.
Oh man, no.
Trophy trout.
No, I feel so bad.
That big trout ate the prototype?
No, he ate the paddler, the 3.5, the one you're using actually. That's a better one though on the.
On the prototype?
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of them on the prototype. Just coincidentally, these haven't been as big. I just think we're in a school of small ones, because yesterday my biggest trout of the day was on one of these. He's croaking. He's a boy. Whoop.
Careful, buddy. Andy might try to.
Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's so gone.
Oh, he's trying
No. Yes, he's making it. He lived. I gotta be more careful about that, man. I keep forgetting about these birds. Oh, we almost had the double up, man. Oh, we do have the double up. Double up on Omen baits, baby.
Omen double.
Oh, yeah, right next to the boat.
Oh, he's coming.
It's like trout number 7, bro. You see the bird?
He's behind you.
No, he outsmarted me.
He's like, I don't want that.
He didn't get the trout. It's okay. Yes, he did. No, no. I'm done. I'm so done. I gotta be better.
Bro, that man had like 10 fish already.
Yeah, I literally. He's only had 2 realistically, but
He said, F your greenies.
I literally threw him out the other way. I don't know what else I could have done. First cast with the fluke, man.
He's dogging it. Bro.
Try. He just went behind some mangroves. No. No.
That wasn't a snook, was it?
There's a jack.
Dogging.
That's why he was dogging me so bad, yeah.
Both of us are 0 for 2 on the jack.
Yeah. Wish I would have got that eat on camera though.
Okay.
Wasn't recording yet because I wasn't expecting him to eat first cast. Rookie mistake. There you go, Nico. Fish on?
I think it's your red, bro. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, dude. Looks like a nice red.
No, it is a red.
Net?
Nah, he's good. I mean, he's a keeper size, but
Yeah, he's a nice one.
reel it in.
Nah. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be, but
Dude, he just dug in the sand.
yeah.
Oh, there's a nice one. Look at that handsome guy. I told you they're here.
Yeah, I believed you. Looks good. You say 25?
Maybe
24.
Like 23.
Yeah.
He's not that big, but he's fighting me good.
I don't know, Doug. I have to get him on the stick. Yeah, man, that's a nice fish. Good job.
I was right, 23 and a half.
23? Damn.
Hey, he's getting right. There he goes. Picked off like a champ.
Well, nice fish, man.
Thanks.
He's laying there now.
He's swimming.
Let's go. You on?
Yeah, he's smoked it, bro.
That's awesome. I'm gonna try and get in there.
Big Spanish.
Hell
Oh,
no!
He's gone.
He got you.
Big Spanish, though.
Man.
That was cool.
There you go. That's a trout. Ultra fluke. Nice. No way.
Good one?
Yeah. Wow. That was an aggressive eat. I thought it was a tiny red, and I was like, uh-oh. The snail. Dude, every time he shakes, the Seaman expands, and it looks hilarious.
That's pretty funny.
All right, Bubba. I'm gonna go back in.
Come on, buddy.
Pop. Chasing some pilchards right there. I just casted pretty much perfect placement. I'm on. Oh, it's a tarpon! My first one.
Oh, get him, bud. Got him?
Yeah. Dude, it's my first tarpon.
It's not a big lady, is it?
Oh, yeah, you might be right. Dang, I really
Hey, it
thought
still might be a tarpon.
I really thought it was a tarpon. Because he's got a lot more weight than usual.
No, that's a big lady, is it?
I can't tell, dude. Yeah. Dang. Sorry, dude. Sorry to get you excited.
I was like, if I put you on your first time.
You can understand why, though. He's pretty sizable. That did not look like a lady at first.
I thought you had a tough. That's a big lady, dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
What'd you do to
Man,
him?
dude, you didn't even see the most of it.
Oh. Tarpon!
Jeez.
Big tarpon!
For real?
Nah.
Oh.
I think it's a
What is that?
It's a lady, I think. Or blue. Like a bluefish.
Yeah, dang.
I haven't seen a bluefish in a long time.
Yeah, wearing all the crazy fish. Oh. Oh, what is going on? What is going on there?
What's that? Could be another blue. Oh, it is. You got the bluefish to jump.
Jump.
Got the pliers right here for you, buddy.
Jordan. I'm just playing. All right. You need these? Yeah. Wow, he ate that finesse pilchard in one cast. I'd appreciate it.
Oh, I thought that went straight in your hand.
Oh, I did.
You alright?
Yeah, somehow the barb didn't get me, but
Oh.
wow.
You're in the bluefish school, I guess.
What a phenomenal day, guys. Honestly, really, really great day. We caught a really nice snook, big jack blew up on it, great trout, and then also numbers of trout, ladyfish, bluefish, you know, all kinds of fun fighting fish. So really appreciate my guy Nico inviting me out, and we had a great time throwing those lures. So once again, if you guys want me to make you some, omenlures.com, I'll have it down below, and I'll put the website up on screen. But I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave me a like and subscribe if you're interested. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.